this lecture, we're going to be interpreting some relationships between sets. Now, we have already said what it means for two sets to be equal. They have to have the exact same elements. Hey everyone, real quick, I just want to mention that this video is a part of a whole course that I made. You can find a link to this entire course in the description below and make sure to click on that subscribe button. So for example, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3 are exactly the same sets. Remember, the order the elements are written down does not matter. Also, 1, 2, 3 is the same as the set 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, which by the way is the same as the set 1, 2, and 3, which by the way is the same as the set 1, 2, 3, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2. So keep in mind, all of these are different ways of writing the same set containing the first three positive integers. Again, repeats are just technically ignored in collections. And so we would actually just ignore those two since they are already written out right here, 2 and 3. So what about the sets A equals 1, 2, 3, and B, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4? Well, clearly A and B are not the same, but notice that every element in A is also an element in B. Because of this, we say that A is a subset of B, and specifically, we write that A is a subset of B. Sometimes you might see that A is a subset of B written like this without that line on the bottom. Both symbols are read is a subset of. The difference is that sometimes we want to say that A is either equal to or is a strict subset of B, in which case we would use that symbol. This is analogous to the difference between less than or equal to and less than. They're not the same things. They're not the same relation because in this example, you can have 3 less than or equal to 3. That's good, that's true. In this example, it's okay for A to be a subset of A. However, using this symbol, A as a strict subset of A is technically not true. Sometimes, however, teachers will use that to mean that. And that's slightly problematic. I don't like that kind of notation because it's inconsistent and it's really confusing. If your teacher does that, that sucks. Anyways, thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next lecture.